guys, it's Hedva here, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this DIY fidget toy using a water bottle. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this DIY puppet, this crackling fidget toy, and this clicker. If you wanna know how to make it, just keep on watching. The thing that you'll need to make this clicker are an empty water bottle. You can use a big one or a small one. Next, you'll need tape, or you can use glue and some scissors. Let's get started. First, cut the top piece of the water bottle, just like this. Now cut the top of the water bottle just like this. Now cut the top piece. This is the finished product. Now save the curved part of the water bottle for later. Take this string off and save it for later. Now take the curved part of the water bottle, then trace a circle on it. Now when you're done tracing it, cut it out. Now glue it or tape it onto the top of the water bottle piece. Just like this. You can also tape it so it's more secure. You can also tape the bottom half so it's not as sharp. Just like this. Now you're done. Now let's move on to the next DIY fidget. The things you'll need to make this mini puppet are this ring from a water bottle, a pair of scissors, the curvy side of a water bottle, tape or glue. Let's make it. First, trace a circle on the curvy side of a water bottle. Just like this. Next, cut it out. Now glue it on the ring. You can also tape it so it's more secured. Now cut the excess. Now you're done. Now let's make the last fidget. The things that you need to make this last fidget are a plastic water bottle. Mainly you need this ruffly part, a big roll of tape, a pen or a marker, or you can use color pencils, a pair of scissors, and some paper. Let's get started. First, cut a rectangle on the ruffly part of the water bottle. Just like this. This is the final product. Now put it to the side. Now cut a piece of paper. Just like this. Now fold it in half. Just like this. Make sure the plastic piece fits inside of it. Now go ahead and tape the side so it's closed. If you're done, take your marker, pen, or color pencil and draw a design on it. When you're done, take your big roll of tape and tape the paper so it's sturdier. When you're done taping the paper, put the plastic piece inside. Now tape it. And you're done! And that is how to make a DIY fidget toy using a water bottle. Hope you guys enjoyed making it as much as I did. Today we made 3 fidget toys, a mini puppet, a crackling paper fidget, and this clicker. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys! Chu-chu-chu-chu, the end.